What an incredible start to the ESF Lunar New Year celebration. This is the biggest event in the ESF calendar. It's the most exciting celebration that we have, and I'm so delighted to be here at Quarry Bay to celebrate with the other ESF schools. What does prosperity mean? Prosperity means thriving and being successful in lots of ways. So for the Year of the Dragon then, I'm asking everyone to show kindness and compassion so that the Year of the Dragon brings us all strength, luck and prosperity.
It's been an absolutely fantastic pleasure to host it today. So I'd like to thank everybody for coming, and especially for all those children who did such a marvellous performance. And we're very, very proud to be a part of ESF because we proved that we're the best we possibly can be. It was a wonderful event. Thank you.
We really enjoyed the other performances.
We are proud of our performance.
We're all super excited for the Lunar New Year.
Yay!